Want to integrate Tenable with Microsoft Defender? You've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and how you can get started for free today with exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description. So, stay tuned till the end for a special offer you don't want to miss. Now, let's dive in. If you're looking to enhance your security posture, integrating Tenable with Microsoft Defender can give you better insights into your network's vulnerabilities, while Defender handles endpoint protection. This integration is powerful and helps streamline your threat detection process. First, you'll need both Tenable and Microsoft Defender set up and running. Ensure that you've subscribed to both platforms and have admin access to your Tenable and Microsoft Defender portals. Next, you'll want to enable the API integration in Tenable. From your Tenable dashboard, navigate to the Integrations tab, then select Microsoft Defender. This is where you'll configure the connection. You'll be prompted to input a few details, like your Defender API key, which can be found in the Microsoft Defender portal under API Access. The third thing you need to do is configure the connection between Tenable and Defender. Once you've input the necessary credentials and keys, the platforms should sync. This will allow you to send vulnerability data from Tenable into Microsoft Defender, enriching Defender's threat intelligence with vulnerability information from your network. Once the connection is established, you'll want to set up automated reporting and alerts. Tenable will now be able to send real-time vulnerability alerts directly to Microsoft Defender, where it will automatically generate security incidents. This makes your monitoring process more efficient, as you'll get everything you need in one place. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, analyzing the data. With Tenable integrated into Defender, you can leverage its vulnerability scanning and continuous monitoring features to stay ahead of any potential threats. Microsoft Defender will use this data to fine-tune your security policies, ensuring that you're not just responding to threats, but proactively preventing them. Finally, if you want to optimize this integration further, consider configuring custom dashboards in Defender that highlight vulnerabilities, risk scores, and threats detected by Tenable. This way, you can have a real-time view of your security posture with all relevant data at your fingertips. And here's the best part. You can get started with Tenable and Microsoft Defender integration completely free today by clicking the first link in the description. You'll also receive our exclusive extended free trial, which gives you full access to premium features. That's how you integrate Tenable with Microsoft Defender. Simple, right? Be sure to hit the link below to claim your free trial and start using these tools to strengthen your network security today.